Pavement Distress Detection Robot. Pavement health is an important guarantee for the safe operation of traffic infrastructure, e.g., civil aviation, highway, municipal road, etc. But existing pavement detection all over the world mainly focuses on manual sampling and apparent detection, which is characterized by poor accuracy and low efficiency. And it is impossible to grasp the true health condition of the pavement in a comprehensive manner. In view of such international problem, Shanghai GuiMu Robot Company Limited breaks traditional maintenance mode and develops the first pavement distress detection robot on the basis of the latest technology in the world, and assists the safe and efficient operation of traffic infrastructure and the construction of intelligent traffic through accurate, efficient, and comprehensive intelligent detection. Pavement Distress Detection Robot takes high-precision intelligent mobile robot as the carrier and is provided with detection process modules, e.g., high-precision visual detection module, three-dimensional electromagnetic wave module, etc. And the whole machine is controlled by a central processing unit in collaboration with mission planner, positioning base station, and remote monitoring auxiliary system. Apparent and internal structure of the pavement are subject to full automatic all-around and universal detection, and detection operations are efficient and safe. And detection results are comprehensive, precise, and objective. Efficient digital model for the pavement is built to evaluate the pavement distress in a comprehensive manner and effectively implement the predictive and accurate maintenance. Pavement Detection Robot has the functions of automatic mission planning, high-precision automatic positioning and navigation, all-around flexible movement, intelligent obstacle avoidance, automatic data processing, multi-type detection data integration analysis, remote fault diagnosis, etc. And detection operations are started by pressing one button and can be done around the clock. It is suitable for the accurate detection of infrastructure health condition, e.g., airport, highway, municipal road, etc., and assists the safe and efficient operation of infrastructure.